Hello everyone, Jai Swaminarayan, Professional Ethics. The subject code is 3150709, semester 5. So let's discuss professional ethics. Unit 5. Unit 5 in professional ethics. Individual factors. Individual factors. Here I would like to tell you individual factors. It contains physical differences are the most obvious. It will obviously differ from individual. Vision, hearing and manual dexterity can also vary widely and in some cases like where color vision or visual acuity is important, it is necessary to test people's capabilities. It shows how much you are capable to do something. Let's see meaning of individual factors. First of all, we must have to be aware of meaning of individual factors. Individual factors such as knowledge, values, personal goals, morals and personality. आपका नॉलेज क्या है, इंडिविजुअल की बात है, हर एक का नॉलेज उसकी वो किसको कितनी वैल्यू दे रहा है, एंड अ पर्सन हु इज ऑल्सो मॉडिफाइंग हिज ओन पर्सनालिटी, inner and external both. Social factors such as cultural norms, how much he or she is involved in cultural norms, the internet and friends and family, उन सब में वो कितना मिक्स है, how much he or she involved in it, in culture norms, in social functions, in family or in friends. Situational opportunities can provide an unethical employee with the freedom of choice. अनएथिकल एम्प्लॉयज़ को ही वो चांस मिलेगा, वो फ्रीडम ऑफ चॉइस मिलेगी दैट कैन लीड टू बैड डिसीजंस. Situational opportunities can provide an unethical employee. Unethical employee, with the freedom of choice that can lead to bad decisions because his personality is unethical employee. He is not performing as he is not performing his morality. He never ever think about what is good and bad for him, for his organization, for his company. So never ever take such type of decisions which harms you. With the freedom of choice that can lead to bad decisions. अगर आपको चॉइस भी मिल सकती है तो आप नेवर एवर टेक एनी बैड डिसीजंस. बैड डिसीजन वो लेगा जो इंसान अनएथिकल बिहेवियर, उसका एटीट्यूड वही होगा. मोरल फिलोसॉफीज. Moral philosophies, we are going to, first of all, we must have to understand introduction of moral philosophy. Moral philosophy is about making moral choices. कि हम अपनी moral choices कैसे बना रहे हैं. It's about how people decide what is moral and immoral, what is good and bad, what is right and wrong for me. Morality is concerned with the ideas of right and wrong. Morality which is concerned with the ideas of right and wrong, good and bad. आपके लिए क्या सही है क्या नहीं है, you have to think it. Making a moral choice is not like choosing something to wear. या कोई moral choice, making a moral choice, अपने लिए कोई moral choice बनाना, वो कोई सिलेक्शन नहीं है कि ये मेरा सिलेक्शन है कि मैं ये कर रहा हूँ. इज़ नॉट लाइक चूजिंग समथिंग टू वियर. या वो अपने आप आएगी. अ पर्सन इज टेकिंग एनी डिसीजंस, ही और शी थिंक्स कि ये मेरे लिए क्या राइट है और रॉन्ग है. इट इन्वॉल्व्स चॉइसेस अबाउट हाउ वी शुड बिहेव, हाउ टू बिहेव, द वे यू बिहेव. इट शोज योर जेस्चर्स एंड पोस्चर्स एंड द इंटेंशंस बिहाइंड आवर बिहेवियर. सो आवर बिहेवियर टेल्स यू our intentions, कि आपका इंटेंशन भी कैसा है आपके बिहेवियर थ्रू. सो यू हैव टू थिंक मोर एंड मोर कि वेयर यू आर, व्हाट इज़ योर एक्शंस, व्हाट इज योर जेस्चर पोस्चर टेल्स यू अ लॉट अबाउट यू. It involves what society and we see as the correct values to have. We have to think about our society also कि मैं अपनी सोसाइटी में अपने मोरल चॉइसेस डिसीजंस कैसे ले रहा हूँ और उसकी इफ़ेक्ट पॉजिटिव है और नेगेटिव है. So whenever you are having any options and to take a decision, always take a right decision. Moral philosophy, it refers to principles or rules that people use to decide what is right or wrong. People decide करके आपके लिए क्या सही है और क्या गलत है. It presents guidelines for determining how to settle conflicts in human interests. किस तरह ह्यूमन इंटरेस्ट में आप अपने कन्फ्लिक्ट सेटल करते हो. हाउ टू सेटल कन्फ्लिक्ट्स इन ह्यूमन इंटरेस्ट. अपने कन्फ्लिक्ट्स को आप कैसे सॉल्यूशन लाते हो. इट गाइड्स यू. इट गाइड्स बिजनेस पीपल इन फॉर्मुलेटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज. बिजनेस पीपल के लिए इट इज़ मस्ट नेसेसरी दैट दे फॉर्मुलेट द स्ट्रेटजीज कि उनकी कंपनी की स्ट्रेटजीज फार्मूला को वो ओबे करें एंड रिजॉल्विंग स्पेसिफिक एथिकल इश्यूज एंड वट एवर द प्रॉब्लम्स आर कमिंग इन दर वे दे मस्ट बी एबल टू रिजॉल्व यानी टू टेक एनी डिसीजंस विच इज़ बेनिफिटेड फॉर द कंपनी. सो there is no one moral philosophy accepted by everyone. या कोई भी moral philosophy है ज़रूरी है कि वो there is no one कोई everyone is going to be collector and accept the single one moral philosophy. It's not necessary. हर एक की philosophy हर एक की thinking अलग है. Moral philosophy, moral philosophy is the branch of philosophy that contemplates what is right and wrong. A person must have to think about his own philosophy. Okay, whatever I am doing, is it right or wrong for me, for my family? It explores the nature of morality. It explores the nature of morality. आपका morality का nature भी वो explore करता है कि how much you think about your morality. It shows your you are shaping your personality in the business and where you are, and examines how people should live their lives in relation to others. कि लोगों को अपनी लाइफ अपने मोरल वे में एक्सेप्टिंग द मोरल फिलोसफी, मोरल वेज, मोरल रूल्स उनको सिलेक्ट करके ये पद सिलेक्ट करके उनको हाउ कैन दे मेंटेन अ लॉन्ग टर्म रिलेशनशिप with their customers, with their employees, with their organization, with their company. It depends on a person. Normative ethics focuses on providing a framework for deciding what is right and wrong. Normative ethics. Normative is one who focuses on providing a framework for what is right and wrong. He or she is making a framework like what is good and bad, what is right and wrong for them. Values. What do you mean by values and what is the meaning of values? Definition. Values are ideals that guide or qualify one's personal conduct. Values are the ideals that guide or qualify one's personal conduct, behavior. आपका value आपके behavior पता चलता है. The interactions with others, the way you interact, the speech, your body language, your gesture postures, your politeness, your intonation of voice, like that. And involvement in career choices, कि career choices में आपका involvement कितना है. Values are ideals that guide or qualify one's personal conduct, interactions with others, the way you interact with others, and involvement in career choices. कि career choices में आपका involvement कितना है. They help distinguish what is right from what is wrong. गलत में से सही क्या है, दे आर गोइंग टू डिस्टिंग व्हाट इज़ राइट फ्रॉम व्हाट इज़ रॉन्ग। रॉन्ग में से क्या सही है, दे आर गोइंग टू बी डिसाइड। दे इन्फॉर्म ऑन हाउ वन कैन कंडक्ट लाइफ इन अ मीनिंगफुल वे। किस तरह एक इंसान अपनी a person is making his own value when he select the path of values, he is making his own person image in society कि मैं अपने स्वयं में हाउ कैन आई परफॉर्म अ रोल ऑफ गुड पर्सन, a person who is decide what is the right and wrong for me and who believes in values also. Applying moral philosophy. Applying moral philosophy to ethical decision making. Evidence suggests that individuals use different moral philosophies. Yeah, each and every individual person उनके हर एक की अलग अलग different philosophies of it depends on the context, यानी कि personal values, work decisions, personal versus work decisions। अपने पर्सनल के बारे में सोच रहे हैं और वर्क डिसीजंस के बारे में आप सोच रहे हो। लाइक प्रेशर एट वर्क आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम पर्सनल प्रेशर। या वर्क आप जहाँ पर जॉब कर रहे हो वहाँ पर का प्रेशर और आपका खुद का घर में कोई प्रेशर दे रहा है। जैसे एग्जांपल, इट इज़ अ वास्ट डिफरेंस। प्रेशर एट वर्क आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम पर्सनल प्रेशर। सो wherever you are, you must have to take a ethical decision also. Ethical decision making is affected by the corporate culture at work. जहाँ पर भी आप जॉब कर रहे हो, you have to maintain a corporate relationship and you have to apply the rules, the norms वहाँ के उसको follow करना है। and team group, work group or whosoever is the leader, you must have to respect each and every person. Moral philosophy should be assessed on a continuum. Moral philosophy वो continuum के ऊपर dependent है। So these are the moral philosophy. Kohlberg's theory of moral developments. Kohlberg's, as you all know that Kohlberg's cognitive moral development theory. Level 1, 2 and 3, but we are going to start from level 3, reverse order, post conventional, set number 6 and 5, it includes level number 3, self selecting universal principles, stage 5, sensing the democracy and relativity of rules, level number 2, conventional, stage 4, fulfilling duties and upholding laws. So whatever the duties you are going to perform, you must have to follow the laws, norms. Stage number 3, meeting the expectations of others. You have to fulfill the expectations where you are and what is your commitment towards you and your own company, organization, and where you are. So you have to find out who am I. Level number 1, pre-conventional. Pre-conventional, like getting what you want by reciprocity. You have to, whatever your dreams, that you must have to come true. And avoiding punishments. So lessons teach you what is good and bad for you. Examples, lessons of your own lives. It tells you what is good and bad for me and for my society. So you must have to avoid punishments. You have to learn something from these 3 stages: pre-conventional, conventional and post-conventional. These are the theories of Kohlberg's theory of moral development. Applying moral philosophy to ethical decision making. How to apply moral philosophy when we are taking any ethical decision? It is like that. Applying moral philosophy to ethical decision making, it is a normal process. Individuals resort to. It is a normal process and individuals who is going to be comfortable to this. However, what moral philosophy they take वट एवर द मोरल फिलोसफी जो वो ले रहे हैं, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन वेदर दे मेक अ पर्सनल डिसीजन आउटसाइड द वर्क एनवायरनमेंट. जो भी वो पर्सनल डिसीजन ले रहे हैं वो वर्क एनवायरनमेंट के बाहर का कोई ले रहे हैं. You must have to think they take depend what moral philosophy they take, which depends on whether they make a personal decision, कि वो पर्सनल डिसीजन को ही फॉलो करते हैं आउटसाइड द वर्क एनवायरनमेंट. वर्क एनवायरनमेंट के बाहर का कोई भी आपका डिसीजन हो वो पर्सनल डिसीजन कहते हैं. और दे डू सो इन अ वर्क रिलेटेड मैटर, और वॉट एवर द डिसीजन विच दे आर टेकिंग वो भी वर्क रिलेटेड होना चाहिए. So a person must have to be ethical in his duties and be honest. As we have seen earlier, this difference in the approach of applying moral philosophies, okay, wherever you are going to apply your morals or philosophies may arise. It may arise because the kind of goals and pressures that motivate persons, which type of goals, which type of dreams which you are looking and watching, and pressures that motivate persons to achieve success in the work environment. How in the work environment you become a successful person, it depends on your motivation, your guidance, and a person who is guide you. And you must have to see a dream which you have to come true in your real life. The kind of goals and pressures that motivate persons to achieve success in the work environment does not exist in the domestic or personal life. डोमेस्टिक यानी कि घर की बात की हो या पर्सनल लाइफ की बात हो, उसमें वो आपका मोटिवेशन, एथिकल डिसीजन इज नेवर प्लेज एनी रोल्स. So that person to achieve success in the work environment does not exist in the domestic or personal lives. As a result, a worker may consider a certain deed good in his or her job-related environment. Result ये आया कि a worker may consider a certain deed good role. Wherever you are, you must have to perform a good role in your duties, in your job related environment also, but unacceptable in the domestic arena. अगर हम डोमेस्टिक एरिना की बात करें तो पर्सन इज नॉट फुल्ली सेटिस्फाइड विद हिज जॉब करियर, जॉब रिलेटेड एनी वर्क. Thank you very much, dear all.